miracle has happened. New life has begun. Someone believe in Jesus. Someone is me. He is the creator of heaven and earth. He is the Alpha and Omega. He is the way, truth, and the life. He heals our land. He forgives our sins. He gives us our strength. Why worry? He is the father of fatherless. He is the mother of motherless. He is King of kings. He is marvelous. Why worry? He is giving me hope. He will never leave me nor forsake me. He gives courage to the discouraged. He gives hope to the hopeless. Why worry? He lifted me up. He makes me to know to unknown. He is my comforter. He is a miracle God. He is alive.
Hallelujah.
He is God who answers prayer. He is God of wonders. Why worry? When people rejected you, when people hate you, when people criticize you, when people return you off, He is answers prayer. He said, call unto me, I will answer you. In times of sorrow, in times of persecution, why worry? The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He gives me green pastures to lie in. He leads me by calm pools of water. He restores my strength to show that He is good. Even if I walk through the valley of death, I will not be afraid of any danger, because You are with me. Your rod and staff comfort me. Why worry?
Hallelujah.